I'm on a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side here, there's this lever down here that you need to pull. This will release that little safety cover. So now that we pulled that, this is loose now. So we can open this up, double check nothing's bent or broken. But from here, you can just unscrew this. And then double check you're using the proper type of fuel for your make and model. With this one, I'd probably use something like a regular unleaded 87 grade. But from the gas pump with your gas can, just fill as needed. And when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. And when you're completely done, just push this closed again. And now you'll see that it's locked in place again. So you'll have to pull that lever again to open it up. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.